Good afternoon, one and all. Today we'll start with the concept of botnet. In previous lecture, we have introduced the concept of cyber cafe. Then real facts, which is related to the cyber cafe in India, and what are the risks when you go to the cyber cafe. Then, what are the security tips should be followed? They will be also studied. Now, in previous lecture, we asked some MCQ based on this module. So, in computer first virus, that is answer D, that is creeper. Then second MCQ asks MC is an example of, it is an answer D, is an antivirus. And MCQ number 3, which of the following is known as malicious software? The option is C, that is malware. I hope most of them you will give the answer. Then we go to the concept of botnet. Botnet, we can say that it is a fuel for the cyber crime. So why it is called a fuel for the cyber crime? Let us really explain. The meaning of botnet is automated program for doing some particular task or a network. Bot meaning by computing. Okay. So according to definition, it is an automated program for doing some particular task or a network. So, from this definition, it is clear that thousands of PCs or thousands of machines can be automatically run from remote location by the cyber criminal or hacker and perform a particular task for his benefits or do some illegal activities. So, from this term, we can consider the botnet is a fuel of cybercrime. And also, this question will be asked in your exam point of view: why botnet is called as a fuel for the cybercrime? Okay, so I think you got the answer. Because thousands of programs simultaneously can be run by the hacker from the remote location under the control, perform a particular task. The botnet term used for the collection of software and run automatically or autonomously. Okay, so already I have explained what is a botnet and how it will be work. Botnet exploit the various purposes, like including denial of service attack, that is short form we call it as a DDoS, creation and misuse of your simple mail transfer protocol, mail relay, which is based on the SPAN, click the fraud and financial information such as credit card number. In short, what is botnet? Botnet is a network of computers infected with a malicious program that allows the cyber criminal to control the infected machines remotely without the user knowledge. That is called as your botnet. And botnet second name, most commonly, that is Zomboid network. Zomboid is a type of virus. Remember. So, this is an overview how the botnet will be work. Then, how botnet is created and used. Botnet operators send out of virus and worms infecting ordinary user. The computer whose payload is a malicious application. That is bot. The bot is infected to personal logins into particular server. The server may be IRC server, but in some cases the also web server. If you any task, any issue terms related to C server or IRC server, you will be asked in a chat box. A spammer purchased the service of botnet from the operator. The spammer provides the spam message to the operator who instruct the compromised machine via IRC servers or causing it to send out of spam message. Use of botnet. So, wherever the botnet will be used in day-to-day life, mostly this botnet will be used by the cyber criminals. If someone wants to start the business and has no knowledge, programming skill, there are plenty of a bot for the sale to offer the forums. Encryption of this program code can be also ordered to protect them from the detection by the antivirus. So, how the botnet will be creation? There is a tree diagram: botnet renting or botnet sale. So, botnet creation in two types. It will be on the basis of rent or it will be sale. On rent, DDoS attack, denial of service attack, spam attack. Spam attacks means the fake emails which will be sent by the cyber criminal to the victims in large amounts. That is called as spam. Malware is a malicious program. It may be worms or viruses sent by the cyber criminals. Adderware installation. Adderware, it is a type notorious program which is generated automatically on your Windows. So simultaneously it visualizes the advertisement. Okay, so it is an automatic program which gives the notification of various advertisements. That is called as adware installation. Then botnet selling. Botnet selling are in three terms: stealing the confidential information, phishing attacks. Phishing means someone copy down. Then spam indexing. The stealing confidential information in three categories: selling the credit card number, bank account detail, selling personal identity information, for example, Aadhaar card number, PAN number, etc. Then selling the internet services and shop accounts. So these are the botnet creations. How to secure your system from the botnet attacks? So some guidelines will be followed to avoid the botnet or anyone to protect the system from the botnet. First one, use antivirus and anti-spyware software to keep and update it. Then always use the operating system is download and install with the security patches automatically. So for example, HP provides to the user time to time alert the system or its system will be updated online. Use of firewall. The concept of firewall to restrict the unauthorized websites. That is to protect the system from hacking the attacks while connected on internet. So it is a specifically guard between server and your system. That is called as a firewall. Disconnect from the internet when you are away from the computer. So if you are journeying, if you go to the long tour, that time your PC, laptop or any gadgets must be removed from the internet connection. Downloading the freeware only website that must be trustworthy. Means you already know that this is a very popular site and must be in your confidential. Then the freeware software must be downloaded. Check regularly the folder of your mailboxes and those messages you do not send. So whenever you log in your mail ID, first check your regular folders, sent mail or your incoming mails. So it is very important. Then take the immediate action if your system is infected. Thank you.